How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today, which is a 2021 Audi S3. Huge thanks to Audi for this press vehicle today. So of course, we're going to take you guys out to the Autobahn. We're going to do a little acceleration run, and then we're going to come back and tell you guys what I think of the Audi S3. Before we get to the Autobahn, I'm just going to take you guys along a short, very short POV drive to where we need to be. And so let's just get going. And before we hit the Autobahn, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars. And let me just take you guys along and let's get this acceleration going. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and launch it. We have traction control off, have it in sport mode so we can use launch control. I'm sure we won't be able to hit top speed because there is a bit of traffic going on, but we're just going to go ahead and see what we can do as usual, and then I'll come back and tell you guys what I think of it. Alright, so 0 to 200 came by really quick, and that's overall the theme with this vehicle. Everything is just pretty fast, man. Pretty impressive. I really like this. I also liked the Mark 8 Golf R and the Arteon R with basically the same engine, 320 PS in those. This one has 310. They all have all-wheel drive. This one is basically called Quattro, but I think it's the same all-wheel drive system, the Haldex system that is in the Golf R as well. Here it's called Quattro, there it's called 4Motion. But either way, basically the same car and same experience, just in an Audi package. So the same thing goes for this as for the Golf R. Definitely one of my favorite vehicles I've tested this year. And it's really a great middle ground between having something really sporty and fun and also having something that is daily drivable. When you put it in comfort mode, or I have my individual mode set up to have a comfortable suspension setting and a bit more lighter steering, but still have a little bit of sound in the rear. You really get a great daily driver, and then you can just flick it into dynamic, and it's really, I mean, it's pretty track ready. I mean, it's not crazy fast, but it's quick. It's definitely quick. Material quality is decent, I guess. You have some soft touch materials, and the overall ambiance is really nice. It does feel very Audi-like, but there's some very, very cheap plastic here. I'm not sure about that there. Steering wheel is nice. I think I would opt for the one with the flat bottom. I believe they have that for the S models as well. I know it comes with the RS, which I hope to be testing soon. The 7-speed dual clutch is very great in this as well. When I put it in manual mode, I'll go ahead and go to dynamic, put it in manual mode. It's like very quick. Upshift, upshift, upshift. It's quick. Definitely nice. You get some farts and bangs from the rear there. Not too crazy because of the OPF filter in Europe now. But overall, a very nice experience, and I'm pleasantly surprised. So either this or the Golf R, if you're looking for a fast daily driver and this is kind of your budget, right around 50,000-60,000 euros, and you want something new, you maybe want a hatchback or something with a bit of practicality, my bad. You should definitely go ahead and check out the S3 or the Golf R. I hope to be testing the RS3 soon, but this right here is a great package, and it is a bit on the expensive side, definitely for an A3, S3, but it's a great car. It's just an overall great car. You can have fun, you can daily it. It's practical enough for most people, and when you drive slowly, it's actually very fuel efficient as well. I mean, not very fuel efficient like a diesel, but you can definitely get way under 10 liters. You can probably go 100 kilometers on like 7 liters if you go very slow, 7 to 8 liters. So that's really decent, especially with all-wheel drive and 310 PS on tap. And then once you want to explore that power, you go ahead, go to dynamic. We'll do a little acceleration run to 130 here real quick, if we can find some room, but it doesn't really look like it. But either way, and there you go. I mean, great car overall. So be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.